Alright, number one, no need for a metronome on this. The idea is just to make all the notes ring out clearly. So, as you were doing yesterday, just a matter of moving the shape up and down and take your time with it. Anytime you hear a note that doesn't ring out clearly, just make whatever adjustment to your hand, your finger that you need to make the note be heard. So, one tip talked about yesterday, and this is especially helpful when playing that F bar chord. Instead of just squeezing your hand to make it happen, when your hand gets tired, you can start pulling the guitar with your left arm this way, and then you have your right arm to hold the body of the guitar. So basically, you're pulling both directions, or pulling backwards with both arms at the same time to keep the body of the guitar from moving, and then you get some little arm strength to help hold down that bar chord there. Alright, let's go to number two. And here we go. Constant eighth notes, 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 So yeah, we're getting a bit more, we're going to start getting more and more complicated with our rhythms here. So it's good that you're starting your count prior to playing, but I need you to say it while you play it. We're going to get to much, much more complicated things, and I promise you it is helpful to say it while you play it in order to make sure you really have the rhythm down. So from here on out, especially with this guy, loud and proud. So anytime that you go through a rhythm now, at least at 60, and if I don't hear you say it, I'm going to ask you to do it again, play it and say it at the same time. It is important, it is helpful. 60 beats per minute, number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 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 4. Done. Number 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 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 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Done. Alright, number 4. You're welcome to treat each line as its own thing. In fact, it is a good idea to do. So like stick with one line until you can smoothly go between each of the chords. So I'll demo each line at 60 so you can have a thing to follow along with here. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now F to the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, I just realized I played that line totally wrong here. So if you're wondering what the hell's going on, that's me playing it wrong. Let's take this from the top here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Alright, F to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, A minor to E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now G to D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your favorite, D minor to be diminished. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's see. Run through the whole thing here, but I do that. Alright, turn something on here real quick so I can have everything on screen and have the metronome click on the computer. Alright. Let's see if it's loud enough. Nope. Apparently the sound's not going to work right now. That's fantastic. Why won't it work? Well, this video might be ending here. Let's see what happens if I unplug and plug this thing back in. Yeah, okay, now it's working. Good. What an exciting recap. Alright, now I'll play along to what's on screen. I needed to, yeah, anyway. It's ready to go now. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Played it wrong again. Good lord. 1, 2, 3, 4. The metronome stopped all of a sudden. This is ridiculous. I apologize. Damn. 2, 3, 4. wrong strings again. All right, so there we go. Yeah, just take your time with this. If you're not able to get through the whole thing with a metronome, that's okay. Just focus on getting those chord changes to feel easier and easier. And if any questions come up, let me know. I'll see you next week.